Thanks for checking out Pendulum. I'm Greg, the owner of Alchemy Merch. I'm a real Shopify vendor for over 6 years, 10,000 plus invoices sent, primarily in the B2B space. And I created Pendulum because I got sick of hitting the same roadblocks, a lack of branding, and having to pay for multiple apps for invoicing, to download PDFs, and reminders. So I put them all in one with extra details. One of the things that's really special that we can do is in your brand settings, you can go and you can pick and fully design light and dark mode invoices that will be downloaded on the post purchase for a customer. You can update logos for light mode, dark mode, watermarks. You can send clients ACH information if you prefer to be paid that way. For a download link, you can provide a W-9 as well in your draft orders that you send so people can have that, your other businesses you work with. In the brand palette, you can fully custom design the invoices in both light and dark mode, and the person will have an option to download whichever version they want. You just add your hex colors in here and set up both light and dark. We also have a couple presets for classic, warm, ocean, minimal, forest to get you a jump start if you want to start with those. We've got a reminder setup, schedule 3 days, 7 days, 14. We all know those invoices that just, it's hard to get payment, and you can set up automatic reminders. We've got templates that you can customize for those to set up to send different levels of urgency along the way. We've got one-click 30-second copy code to replace your order confirmation and your draft invoice emails with all of the personalized branding that you want. And in the pro mode, you can set up outbound webhooks to connect with your CRM, internal dashboards, do Zapier style automation tools. So just want to say thanks for checking out Pendulum. If you have any questions, please reach out to us, and thanks.